show you how to make cashew butter. And all you need is about a pound of cashews. That's approximately 4 cups. Now let's get started. You will need a food processor, cashews, and plenty of patience. You will be stopping the food processor about every 2 minutes or so to scrape down the sides. You can see the consistency here. It's getting tougher to manage. So I'm going to switch from a soft spatula to a hard spatula, and that should do the trick. It's perfect the way it is. I've made it this way before and I loved it. But it's optional to put salt and vanilla powder. And I'm doing it this time for a twist. It's a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla powder. Mix well and then put into a mason jar. I chose that smaller mason jar on the left to be able to just forego some more of it for myself because I want to make sure that somebody else I know and love gets that smaller jar and tells me she loves it. I love it, Mommy. I want some more, please. No, you have to make your own. Well, I don't know how. Well, that's what my video is for. But cashews are so expensive. You can get bulk cashew pieces on sale. But I'm broke. How much were those festival tickets? But it was the only time I could go, and it was the original show. You say that about every show. But they are. They're all awesome. Here's your cashew butter. Thanks, Mom. Where do cashews come from? Cashews came from northeastern Brazil. The Portugal people exported it to India in 1550. The cashew is a seed that grows on the outside of an edible fruit called a cashew apple. Today, most of our cashews come from India and Vietnam. As you can see, it goes with a lot of things. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of the recipe and if you've tried it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye!